Hey y'all, I'm Kenya and welcome to my channel. I am so excited for this video, you guys, because we will be talking all about the new Disney Princess line from the spring release of 2021 from the Happy Planner. And I can't be more excited that you are here to join in on the fun with me. So without further ado, we're going to jump right in. Let's do it. Okay, so first up, we're going to pull out the decals and their vinyl stickers. And you guys, okay, we have Pocahontas, we got Sleeping Beauty with a quote, we got some glass slippers from Cinderella and a quote, then we got Belle, beautiful, a strong at heart quote. Then we also have Mulan in this pack, and we got Ariel, our little mermaid, and then we have Tiana. The world is mine. I love that they gave us these options this time, so we can switch up things on our water bottle, do it in Disney style. And then, you guys, I wanted to share this filler paper with you because I just feel like the illustrations, they're so pretty. They remind me of kind of like a sketch, but just like I don't know, it's gorgeous. And so of course on the first style we have Cinderella, so I'm just gonna separate these out so you can see both sides. But you got Cinderella on the front, and then you got Sleeping Beauty on the back in that pink shade, and it has a quote at the top. And then you have the second style, you got Tiana on the front, and then you have Ariel on the back, and it's in this really nice grid pattern. And I feel like whenever they give us dot grid or regular grid, there's so much we can do with that. So many different little pages we can make in our planner that we can just kind of create on our own. So I love that. I love it. Actually, and you may be able to do some bullet journaling with these too. I know it's not dot grid, but maybe with grid too. So here is the accessory pack for the Disney Princess line. And you guys, okay, this artwork, oh my goodness, the girls look so mature and so glam. So we get some sticky notes. I love that little crown, and then it just looks so cute. We also get a folder in this pack. They typically give us folders, like a bookmark, sticky notes, and some stickers. But I just wanted to show you guys up close, what each thing looks like. So that way you can kind of determine if you want to create like a planner full out, and if you want these accessories. So here are the stickers. We got some full boxes, some circles, like some little half circular stickers, as well as some quote strips. And then we got a bookmark with Jasmine on it. Courage is golden. We got Pocahontas for the folder, follow your heart. And then we get some more filler paper, and this particular paper is pink, and it has that lined pattern on it, just a lined paper with Sleeping Beauty as our princess. So yeah, you guys, I like this pack. I really love that you can kind of put these things together with your planner. So here's a companion pack, and it complements a planner. And I'm gonna pull it out, y'all. I love this folder. When I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. Like, it's white and it's gold foil, like in that sketch. It's just so pretty. Strong at heart. And then on the inside, y'all, is blue. Yes, it's so blue. And it has Pocahontas and Belle on the side. And then we have Merida in an envelope. And then we got Pocahontas on the envelope. And you guys, can we just say hello, Moana? She was on one of those stickers too. But you guys, I love that we have her on the envelope with Ariel. And then we get some more filler paper, and there's two designs. So on this particular one, you have the girls at the bottom. It says hello today. And then I flipped it over on the back because there's two of them, but the back of the pink one is the same. It has the princesses on the bottom, and it's lined paper. And then this particular one, I thought it was a little different because the checklist, normally the little bullet points are on the opposite side of what you see here, but that's different. And then you have the grid and then line at the bottom on the back. Then we get another folder with Ariel, and oh my gosh, she's so pretty. She has a quote down there. And then we have like this, I guess you could say like a gummed paper pad, and it's a purple circle, just very clean. It's time to shine. I love that. You guys know purple is my favorite color. So here we have these little vision boards, and they tend to give us these in the companion packs. They're a harder paper, like a cardstock, thicker paper, I guess I should say, cardstock form. And then this one has that gold foiling, y'all. So pretty. But you can put your goals down here. You can clip some pictures out and make you like a vision board and everything. I really think these would be kind of good to use for every quarter. Here's a dry erase board. They always give us these too. And then you have the princess on the back in line. So, and I say dry erase, but I would suggest a wet erase marker to use for those. So yeah, I'm like feeling this, you guys. I'm feeling it. I am loving that. Like, it was just a surprise to open this up to see the blue insides. I thought that was like an added touch, because typically you see blue with Cinderella, but I guess they're mixing the girls up with the colors now. All right, so that's the companion pack. And now we have the vertical undated. And I wanted to open this up again and show you guys that. So in case you don't want to pick up a planner, you can still get these same girls and like this particular like type of illustration. Just get the undated, and that way you can use it for whatever and whenever. So you have this pink line, like this pink, and it's a thicker line in this one. It's not thin, but it's nice, and it's, of course, it's undated. So I wanted to show y'all that. And look at that currently page. So you get dot grid, you get a shaded box at the bottom and line. And then I like that the monthly has like the little spots for the dates shaded in. I thought that was just a different flair. I don't know, something new to look at in this. And then we have Cinderella, Radiate Kindness. And I'm getting very like woman empowerment. I don't know if it's because March is coming up, and you know that's Women's History Month and everything. But look at Tiana, y'all, that green, oh my goodness. But I'm getting that vibe from this particular princess line, and I'm just loving that they released this. Like, when I saw this, you guys, I was like, oh my gosh, so pretty. And so of course we get date stickers, and then we get some full stickers, you guys, some full box stickers, some more with the girls. And then there's some monthly stickers on there too, I believe. And then we have another folder, and I think this folder is my favorite because it has all of them on there. So I absolutely love that. And I was really happy to see that they added Moana to the lineup. So I was glad to see some things with her, because she wasn't in the original release, and so that was nice. Okay, so now we're gonna show the journal, and it has Pocahontas on the front. I really think it's beautiful. It's got that coppery foil to it. The inside cover has like a sketch with low opacity of all the girls, and then here's the divider with Pocahontas, and then it's just a guided journal, you guys. Typically kind of what we see, and I like these because, you know, if you don't know what to journal about and you're a beginner for journaling, these will be great for you, because it kind of gets your mind rolling on what you can write down to help you reflect and get things out on paper. And so here's the designs for those, and then they kind of alternate colors, different shades of that one color in Pocahontas, and we do get some dot grid with her on it. And then I love that she's in full color too in this planner and not just sketched out. So I thought that was an added nice touch that they put in there. They gave us kind of both. And so yeah, it's really undated, so you can use these whenever, just whenever. I like to pull these out sometimes when I find myself kind of stuck. So, and I love that they're undated, so you can pull it out whenever. So here's Mulan, and hers is that blue shade, and kind of like a darker teal blue to me. Is what it looks like. And of course she has that same sketch and then full color on the opposite side. And then look at Moana, you guys. The world is mine. I absolutely love her story, so like I said, I'm excited. And they give us kind of this peachy orange shade color for her, which is really, really nice. And then we get Merida, you guys. We get her, she's fearless, and now she's also like a blue tone as well. And as you guys can see down the spine, there's kind of like a speckled pattern down the spine of these, so I thought that was different as well. And so that's the end of the journal, and the back cover is kind of like the front, and of course you got Pocahontas on the back. So yeah, that's it for the journal, you guys. And so now I want to share these stickers, you guys, these Mumpy sticks, like, oh my goodness. And then the removable decals. These are interesting to me because they're kind of like, if I had to, they're much thicker. They're removable, so they're not really a sticker, but they are a sticker. But I love them, and so when I get a wall calendar, I'll be sure to pull these out and test these out. I have to get a wall calendar first, but those definitely are super cute to me. I like that, they put some Disney to it. So y'all, okay, I call these Mumby sticks, but they're just the bigger stickers. And you guys, oh my goodness, they're paper. That's one thing that I think we should note. And I absolutely love them. I cannot wait to use these. These princesses are absolutely gorgeous. They're giving me like glam vibes, like just, oh my gosh, so beautiful. Look at Snow White, y'all. And then we get some quotes in this one too. They're bigger quotes. And so you can do all types of things with these. I feel you could really kind of like cover a page in these, or you can make projects with these. You can gift them if you want to make signs. I've made a room sign, or like frame some artwork with these. Like it's different ways to use them, and not just in your planner. So definitely have fun with these, you guys. Create some nice things. And then we have this little small, I call these they're like mini stickers, or micro stickers. And then we have the princesses for them. And of course you got Cinderella, you got Tiana, you got Belle. I believe we get all of them. We got Jasmine. And then we do have Rapunzel. And then we got the Little Mermaid, Ariel. And we got Sleeping Beauty. Oh, and then we do get them in gold foil too. So I thought that was nice. So we don't get all of them, but we do get like a nice amount of them. Like I love that. I'm not sure if there's another. I think that's the only one. So here are the stickers, you guys. We got 560 pieces in this sticker book. First off, we have Ariel. We got some flags, some full boxes, some circle stickers. And then we have this foil clear page, you guys. And she even has a quote up there. Then you got some full boxes. We got some checklists, some more flags, some more circles. And now we're to Cinderella. Now what I noticed about Cinderella is her foil is a little bit different. And that it's like a coppery rose gold color, but I love her color palette. And then we get us some quote stickers, y'all. And here's Belle, and they're all following the same like pattern. So now she has that rose gold too, but they all have like the full boxes, square boxes, checklist, labels, circle stickers. Now we have Tiana, so pretty in that green. And then here's her foil page, clear sticker page. And then we got her full boxes, her labels, her flags, and her color palette. Oh, it's just so pretty. So, like, these spring colors are beautiful. Then we get Rapunzel, and she's wearing the purple. Then here's her foil page. She's back to that gold color as well. And then we got some more to-do lists. And then look at that yellow, you guys. That punch of yellow is so pretty. Now here's Jasmine in that teal and purple and yellow. Now I noticed in her clear page, this is clear stickers, but she doesn't have any foil. So I thought that was different, but I absolutely love that sticker with her hair. That's gorgeous. Okay, and so here's her page with the functional stickers on it. And now we have Sleeping Beauty in this beautiful purple shade. It's popping to me. And she does have foil on her stickers. She's kind of outlined in that. And then got some full boxes. Very functional, you guys. And once again, I noticed that they didn't give us some monthlies. Now we got some more quote stickers. And yeah, that's it for that sticker book, you guys. I think it's definitely a must-have. It's super nice. So can't wait to see what everybody does with that. So here are the colorful boxes, and it has 380 pieces in it. And what I noticed off bat is we do get some rounded boxes. Of course, our full boxes and quarter boxes, and it does have that sketch pattern. And if you guys can see that foil blue, it's so pretty. And then we get some more half boxes, some flags. Those shaded boxes are very nice. And then you guys look at the sketch of like that castle in gold. Oh my goodness, gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Lots. Belle's color palette is just everything. It's everything. It is everything. So pretty. I'm loving like how they put full color and sketch. I love the alternation that they did with this. Then we get into Tiana, and you guys, her green foil in this. Oh, it's just beautiful. It's beautiful. And then we have some pink in her too. And so then we get to Rapunzel and her peachy color palette, super cute in that sketch. It's very light sketch in hers. And then we get some shaded boxes, and now we got some Moana stickers. So I'm excited to see the Moana spreads that are coming with this sticker book. And then of course we get into our Sleeping Beauty here, and of course she's following the same pattern, you guys. So they kind of give us a little bit of everything for all of the girls, all of the princesses. Then we get into Jasmine, and y'all, that cloud sticker, that yellow sticker, and the one with the palace, that gold sticker at the bottom, so such cute stickers. I don't know, they just stood out to me. And I really love it. Now we have Pocahontas, and I love her deep blue teal color shade with that orangey peach. It's just, I don't know, her color palette is beautiful too. We do have some Milan stickers in here as well. Just very functional boxes that you could pull together. Snow White, that red apple. And you guys, check this out. Check out that red foil, okay? That red foil is super cute. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this sticker book, y'all. And I'm super excited about this whole entire collection. I really want to know your thoughts, and like, are you loving the new illustrations of the princesses, and how do you feel about it? Let me know if you're gonna pick any of these items up. Which one was your favorite? Are you planning on making a princess planner? Are you gonna get any of the planners that come with this collection? Just let me know below. I would love to hear from you. So as always, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I got some fun content, and I just want to thank you guys so much for watching and being so sweet. And until next time, love ya. Bye.